plantain and plantain and banana pudding, or plantain and banana momo, whichever one you call it. And this meal is a very rich meal in Asian land. I'm an Asian girl, for those of you that don't know. And in this meal, we call it emiekoede in my tribe. It's a very rich meal. So that is what we're preparing this morning. And my husband always loved this meal. Anytime, he always look forward to this meal. So I'm preparing it for him today. And guess what? I'm in my mom-in-law's house, so we'll be cooking this meal in my mom-in-law's kitchen. So let me just take you around. So this is what we're up to basically. So look at my daughter over there just playing with a lot of things. So that's it basically on today's recipe. I'll take you around. It's a local meal, and I have my mortar here with me. Okay. My mom, the ingredients are there. I'll take you through it right away. So that's it basically on this video. Stick around, let me show you this recipe. It's a very nice meal, and if you give it a try, trust me, you're gonna enjoy it. So please pardon the rough background, just pardon. It's one of those things. So we're in the village, yes, we are eating village food, unadulterated, yes, fresh, direct from source. And the main ingredients we are using for this recipe is plantain. This dried plantain, you dry blend, like the one that is normally used for amala. So that is one of the ingredients we are using. Then we have a banana leaf, so we salt for it already, that we are using for this recipe. Then you need salt, pepper as desired. You're gonna love it. Stick around, let me take you through this process. Over there is my mommy-in-law. Mommy-in-law, say hi to me, mom. Hi guys. So this is a very large compound overhead tank. So that's it basically. Let me, mama, Grandma is calling you to come and eat rice. Go and eat, okay? Yummy. Yeah. Yummy. So my daughter is over there with the grandma. They are enjoying themselves. So guys, I don't know yet on this recipe. I may decide to use gas or I'll use the charcoal, because we have three options here. We have gas, we have charcoal. This charcoal burner, you load charcoal on it. We have that. Then we also have firewood. So whichever one, I would have preferred to use firewood, that local vibe, yes. So I would have preferred to do that, but I don't know if that would be convenient. But if it will, I will sure take you through it. But if not, we'll use either charcoal or gas. Let's see how it goes. Okay, my mom said we should use charcoal. Yes, I think we should go and do that now. Let me go and load it. Let's. I'll be quite local one. So guys, that is what we are doing. So my mom just suggested that it will be best, charcoal will be better, and firewood now, you know, it's smoky and it's a bit stressful. Cool. And my mom don't want to stress me, don't want me to use firewood, so she just said I should make it easier for me, so I'm using. We are making plantain and banana pudding or moi moi. The ingredients you need is, one of them is banana and plantain flour. And here the banana is being blended. Yes, here I'm blending the banana. I will take you through the ingredients and the process of making this meal. And this is a very rich meal in my culture. What you need is banana, this portion of banana. Yes, you can use any banana actually, any sweetening banana. Then your plantain flour, already dried, plantain already dried and blended. Then this banana leaf and banga. And here is the banga in process, yes. And here is the banana banga extract. Then everything coming together, where I added pepper and salt to the blended banana we have in the pot already. Then I have to mix and stir with this spatula. You can also use whisk. And here I'm adding the flour bit by bit. That's the plantain flour now. Adding it bit by bit. Like I said before, this meal is a very rich meal and it's a must try, and you will be glad you did. And just as I said before, and after adding it bit by bit, as you are adding your flour, you add your banga extract. Yes, and that is what is happening here basically. The banga extract is being added bit by bit. You don't pour everything once. Likewise, the plantain flour, you also add it to the process, add it to the mixture bit by bit, so to get a perfect consistency. So that's it basically. And here it was a bit thick, so I still have to add more of those banga extract to get the perfect texture we are looking for. So this is it, perfect, all great. And here is my mom-in-law helping me with this wrap. Here we're wrapping it bit by bit, and this one I will show you guys how to wrap this. I always have the issue when I'm wrapping this one in my house. It's always difficult for me, but on this very day my mom-in-law taught me the easiest way to wrap this. You see how she's doing it? Yes, gently, neatly, and perfect. And when I'm doing my own is always rough. Yes, it's always rough, and I learned this hack from her today, and it's a nice one. So this is the perfect one, perfect way to wrap it, all coming out good. Yes, and mind you, this banana leaf, they are all cleaned. Yes, thoroughly cleaned. There is no dirt in there. It's perfectly clean. So that's it basically on this nice juicy delicacy we are preparing in a local way in my husband's village. Yes, so we are preparing it really, and it's my village as well. Yes, my husband's village is my village. So you see the process again. You see how my mother-in-law is going about it. Yes, so neat, so flawless, and so perfect. Voila, it's so amazing. You see this one, this very leaf wanted to disgrace us. This very particular one wanted to disgrace. And here our water is boiling on charcoal stove, and when I came to try, I discovered the water wasn't too much, so I added water to it. Then I added this leaf as the base, so the water won't soak what we're cooking. So that is what I was doing here basically. Then after layering the pot base with this leaf, I go ahead and I added the milk cocoa of what we're cooking. Yes, and I will not forget to add that cooking this meal was all fun and enjoyable for me. I really enjoy every bit of it, the process being that it was local way, and the meal is something I long for. It was an amazing one. And here is our meal sitting pretty on the charcoal stove. It was amazing. I must be honest. And here I came to check. Oh my god, I've checked. It's so amazing. It's all ready, and look at this goodness we just prepared. So yummy. It's so nice, and a lot of persons were just going back and forth for it, and we literally finished this meal in a day. It was a pot of goodness.